So our GraphQL functionality is coming right along. And right now we can list the entire catalog of movies. We can type in the search box and filter the list of movies by name. And we might as well complete the functionality to click on something from this list, and that's the GraphQL link, of course, and actually load an individual movie using GraphQL. And we might as well improve it a little bit while we're at it, because right now, these links don't work. But if I go to the movies list up here, and click on The Godfather, for example, I get some textual information, and it's trivial for you to add the rest of the information if you so choose. But I'd really like to add a poster, say an image, up here. And I don't want to do it manually because there are posters all over the place. So what we'll do, and we'll do it just for the GraphQL component, and it's easy enough to do the same thing in the standard REST API component. But what we'll do is we'll go to this place, the movie database. And they have a free API that allows you to query information. So what you'll have to do, of course, is create an account. And once you've created it, you'll get a validation email. Click on that, then log in. And click on your little avatar up here if you have one. It might be just an image of a user. But click on that and click on Settings. And then click on API and create an API. And as you can see, I have one here. And I'll leave these ones active. You can use my key if you want to until it gets invalidated for too many requests, if lots and lots of people use it. I encourage you to use your own. It's free, and it takes very little effort to do it. And once we've done that, we can actually query things like this. So I've gone to this URL up here, and don't worry about that right now. I'll provide it to you when we get to that part of the course. And we can get the response about an individual movie by name. So I searched for The Shawshank Redemption, and it gave me this. And this is actually a path name to the poster for that particular movie. Actually, it's not that one. It's this one down here. That's some backdrop. I have no idea what that is. This is the one we want, poster path. So we can actually modify our code so that when someone adds or updates a movie, we can check to see if the moviedb.org has a poster for it, and if it does, we can use that and then display it when someone looks at the individual movie. So we might as well do that at the same time. Now this is going to take a few steps, and one of the things we're going to do first is modify the front end to display the current information that we have. Then we'll modify the back end to allow for the addition of a poster, and that'll require a modification to our database and our back-end code. Then we'll come back to the front end and put everything together. So let's get started. And we'll get started on the front end in the next lecture.